In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Canva mobile app. We'll be working entirely on the mobile version of Canva, so you can follow along on your phone or tablet. Before we start, make sure you've installed the Canva app from your device's app store and you're logged into your account. First, open the Canva app. On the home screen, you'll see a range of recommended designs and templates. You can either tap on an existing design you've already created, or start a new one by choosing a template like an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a simple poster. Once you tap on a design, it will open in the editor. Inside the editor, look for the text elements on your design. These are usually words or phrases like headings, subtitles, or body text. To start editing, simply tap on the text you want to change. When you tap it, a blue or purple outline should appear around the text box, and your keyboard will pop up at the bottom of the screen. Now, you can start typing to replace the existing text. You can delete the old words and write your own, or add extra lines if you need more space. Take your time to make sure everything is spelled correctly and sounds the way you want. Above the keyboard, or along the bottom toolbar, you'll see formatting options. Here, you can change the font style by scrolling through the list until you find one that matches your design. Tap on a font to apply it instantly. You can also adjust the font size, either by tapping the plus and minus buttons, or by typing in a specific size value, depending on your device. Next, choose a color for your text. Tap the color icon, then pick from the default colors or use the color picker to match your brand or design theme. You can also adjust text alignment to left, center, or right, and change spacing between letters and lines to improve readability. If you want to move the text, tap and hold the text box, then drag it to a new position on your design. You can also pinch with 2 fingers to resize or rotate the text box. When you're happy with everything, tap the checkmark or Done button to save your changes to that text. Finally, tap the download or share icon at the top to save your updated design or share it directly to social media or messaging apps.